Hey guys, this is Warhead Airsoft, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the snow camo pattern I did on my Stinger R39. I have a video of the gun with its completed paint, but I did not have a technique video, which I will show you guys now. I just decided to do it on this pistol because I was trying to do a metallic paint job, but I kind of screwed it up and the paint I was using wasn't very good. So, what I'm using Rust-Oleum plastic primer. I just have to start off by priming it, so the key is using light, even strokes across the gun. Almost out of primer. Alright, so there's the primer. We'll let that dry for, well, this will probably have to dry for a couple hours. So, we'll let that dry for a few hours, and once that dries, I'll show you guys how to do the rest of the powder. Alright, so now that the primer's done drying, we can now move on to the next step in making the camo. You're going to want to take some type of leaf that's possibly skinny and just put it over it and use one of the lighter spray paints. I'm using a gray granite to restore it. Just put it over something and do it even strokes. And guys, I apologize for the poor audio. This isn't the best camera ever. It's not really meant for audio, but it's what I got, so bear with me. Alright, so that should be good for the gray. We'll let this dry for 10-15 minutes, and we'll do the last part of it once it's done drying. Alright, so now that the gray is dry, we can add the last coat, which will be a black. Shake it up for a second. I'm just using this cheap, quick color, all-purpose spray enamel. This stuff is like 99 cents at Home Depot. So. Okay, so now you're going to want to take something that is a little bit more smaller and more broken up, more skinny and leafy like this. Okay, so you just take that and lay it in places and spray it. And like I always say, the key is even light strokes. Alright, so looks pretty good. That's my tutorial on how to make snow camo, Urban Snow Camo. Sorry, I just want to get you a closer look at it. I'm going to move this out. closer look at the snow camo. Now you can see it, it's not blended in with what's behind it. So it ends up turning out really, really nice, in my opinion. I mean, I think it looks great. So comment, rate, subscribe. Hope you guys like this tutorial and have success painting your own guns.